Angelic A. Tamayo, 31 years old, a butcher here in Maramag, Bukidnon. Now, I will show you the three different kinds of half pork carcass. The shoulder part, the middle or saddle part, the ham leg. But before I proceed, let me show you how to sharpen my knife using my honing stick.
Before I proceed to primer.
Now let's proceed. So these are the different kind.
Different parts.
These are the different parts of half pork carcass. Shoulder back with a shoulder back, skin on boneless. Shoulder ribs, shoulder blade or scapula, excess fats. Front leg with arm bone. Pork belly with pork loin. Special ribs with back ribs. Pork tenderloin, leaf lard. Ham leg, skin on boneless. Femur bone, pelvic bone.